Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a free account on ilhpp.org and also how to access IL HPP Academy. If you don't already have an account, the first thing you're going to want to do is click on sign up on the homepage. You're going to create a username, add your email address, create a password, add your first name, your last name, add a phone number, add your school or your agency, select a position, and to fill out your county and your state. And then click on register. Awesome, we've now created a free account on ilhpp.org. You now have access to download all of our free resources, which you can find under this tab here. And if you want to access IL HPP Academy, you'll go underneath the training tab, select IL HPP Academy. It will open into a new window, and you can see up at the top here, I am now linked to our IL HPP Academy site, and you can now view our courses down here. We currently have 2 courses available, Creating an At-Home Workout Routine, Personal Growth. Both are free for use. You can click on it, and then you can select Resume Course or Start Course. You can also see below that there's an introduction as well as a full outline of all of the lessons. We hope you enjoy this new feature, IL HPP Academy, and thanks for watching this video.